Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson. We're continuing the series on parts of the body, and this is part 2. Alright, so today we're going to focus on the parts of the face. So we learned last time that this whole thing is known as the head, and the front of your head is known as your face. So see if you can point out any things that you see on this person's face. And then how about the mouth? This whole thing is the mouth. Can you name any of the different parts of the mouth? So here we have the parts of the face would be the hair, the eye, the mouth, and the ear. We also have the nose, the chin, and the cheek. And then the mouth has lips, tooth. So when we're talking about just one, it's one tooth. When we're talking about more than one, it's teeth. So the plural of tooth is teeth. And the tongue. All right, see if you can remember these parts of the face. You can pause the video and write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to continue. And the same thing here. See if you can remember these parts of the face. And here, the parts of the mouth. All right, so we're going to start using some of these vocabulary words in sentences. So again, you can either pause the video and read these on your own, or you can follow along as I read. So that's not real hair. Those are wigs. She is wearing sunglasses because the sun is too strong for her eyes. He has a cold, so he is blowing his nose. He has chocolate all over his mouth. His ears were so cold that he wore earmuffs. She fell over and scratched her chin. His grandmother kissed him on the cheek. He is sticking out his tongue at his sister. She likes to put lipstick on her lips. He brushes his teeth every night. All right, so now see if you can complete the sentence with the correct choice. So I smile with my mouth. What is she doing? She is blowing her nose. What is she wearing? She is wearing glasses. What is she brushing? She's brushing her teeth. All right, so once again, see if you can remember the parts of the face that we've learned. And see if you can name the parts of the mouth. All right, this time we're going to fill in the gaps of these sentences with the words from the boxes. The first one is already done. She washes her hair before blow drying it. And you can pause the video, fill in your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. All right, his nose started bleeding after he was punched. She wears sunglasses to protect her eyes while driving. My mother kissed me on the cheek before bed. Please close your mouth while eating. In winter, his ears get so cold he wears a hat. The dog showed its teeth because it was angry. And do not stick your tongue out at your sister. I need to blow my nose because I have a cold. He fell over on his bike and scratched his chin. She put red lipstick on her lips before she went to the restaurant. All right, now we're going to look at some other parts of the body, see if you know any of the parts shown in this picture. So we have the ankle, the toes, the foot. When it's just one, it's foot, and when we talk about more than one, it's feet. So feet is the plural of foot. Okay, so again, see if you can name these different parts. All right, he twisted his ankle during baseball practice. He sprained his ankle during baseball practice. He hurt his toe on the door. And another way to say hurt his toe would be stubbed. So stubbed means when you hit your toe against something and it hurts. So you could also say he stubbed his toe. She needs new shoes because her feet have grown. All right, so now you're going to pick the right answer from the choice to answer the question. So what did this man sprain or twist? So it was his ankle. So this part of the body here, the ankle. The leg would be up here. So name these items of clothing. So these are shoes. And which parts of the foot do you remember? All right, and then fill in the sentences below. So when you hop, it means you jump on one foot. Your feet have grown. You need new shoes. My twisted ankle is still in a bandage, and stubbing your toe on a door is painful. All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.